So my name is Samrit. Today I'm going to be making the video about the ultimate science kit, and do not do this without parental instructions. Like here, right here. So today we are doing the underwater volcano. Okay, these are the equipment and materials from home, and materials and equipment from kit: test tube, spatula, measuring cylinder. Sorry for the noise if it's there. The test tube, spatula, measuring cylinder, stirring stick. Right here, you can see materials from kit: citric acid, baking soda, materials from home, water, baby oil or cooking oil. So these are the this is the test tube. This is the test tube, stirring stick, spatula, measuring cylinder. Those are the equipments. Put it. Okay. The materials from kit: citric acid, baking soda, and red food color. Okay, let's start. I'll put it on the side so you all can see. Okay, I think you can't see the stirring stick. There's a stirring stick. I think you can see. This white thing. I think that is the stirring stick. And the red, the baking soda, citric acid, red food color. Okay, one sec. I'll just get the cooking oil real quick. Okay, and I'm back. I told you I'll be quick. So like a bowl of oil, like this much, like this much, like at least like this much. Can you see? At least this much oil. Oh, I spilled some. Okay, like a quarter bowl of cup of oil and 10 ml of water in the measuring cylinder. So let's start. So let's start with the work. Okay, now first let's take the test tube. Okay, first. So the test tube has a film around it, plastic film. We'll say, so please remove the plastic film before use. Okay, so just take a look. Yeah, I got the plastic. That's plastic around it. So take it out before use. Salt. Okay, wait, let me just pause the video. Yeah, I took the film out. Let's put it back. Okay, so let's pour the 10 ml of water in the measuring cylinder. Okay, then I think we need to add 2 drops of red food color. Put it on the plate. Yes. Let's open the food coloring. Red. Okay, now let's take this. Boink. Boink. 2. Wait 1 sec. Like this. Yeah, this red substance. So this tiny stick. Set up. Good as red. Right? Red. Let's keep it. Let's keep it aside. Let's keep it aside over here. This thing. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry. We need this. I'll show it like this. See, all of you can see. Oh. Oh, no. Sorry. I'm very sorry. I'll add the word back. Okay, good is normal. Is normal again? Okay, let's. So this is red. And then we have to add like a cup. No, a scoop of baking soda. Yeah, a scoop of baking soda. Scoop of baking soda. Hopefully this is enough. Okay, that's good. And okay, this baking soda. This is baking soda, but only put like one spatula spoon. Okay, keep it aside. Then a 20 ml of oil. Let's put it in the measuring cylinder. Oops. Oh, I need a 5 ml more, but I'll just get 5 ml more. 1 minute, I'll just get 5 ml more. Guys, I'm back, and then okay, 20 ml, that's only 50 ml. Let's pour it down slowly. That's enough. Okay, 20 ml. And please don't read the parental instructions. Okay. Now let's pour it into the test tube. Okay. That filled up. And 1 drop of citric acid should do it. Okay, I think I have to wait now. Because I think it's gonna explode, guys. Stay tuned till the end. Citric acid. As you can see, citric acid. 1 second. Boom. Oh, guys, do you see it? Guys, do you see it? It explodes. See the foam. See the foam. See foam? You see the foam? Okay. Stop. Let me add some more. Because See, citric acid doesn't little in soda in your you know what, like the wait, I'll put it near you guys so you can see it. I'll put it on, but I'll just put it a step back more, like this much. Is it okay, guys? Is this okay? This not okay? Okay. Sorry. Oh, sorry. And some baking soda, because baking soda does the most reaction. Oh, guys, like, look at this. Mix. Good. Okay. Okay, just wait. Ooh, that's a lot of food. Okay, thank you guys for seeing this video. Stay tuned for more. Peace out.